Huh? Where are we?
This pit is so deep, I can't climb out.
Same here. I'm totally stuck.
So, are we just trapped here forever?
Wait. Why are there suddenly so many tiny pieces around us?
Whoa, dude, how did you get so huge all of a sudden? Kinda jealous, not gonna lie.
What's the point of being big if I still can't escape?
Hey, wake up! What's that growing on you?
Huh? When did this show up? Whatever. I'll just flick it off.
Ugh, what did I just spit out?
Those are tonsil stones. They're smelly little lumps formed when bacteria, food debris, and dead cells get stuck in the crevices of your tonsils and harden over time. Good oral hygiene can help prevent them. Want to know about Mr. Beast disease? Click the link below. Your symptoms may not match his, but it's worth learning how he fought it.